Very good morning, children. Our today's topic is simple future tense. Simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Simple future tense is used to refer actions that will happen in the future. That's going to happen in the future. Okay, that kind of tenses are simple future tenses. The pattern of simple future tense is subject plus will plus verb plus object. Subject Helen. Helen is the subject. Then will. Helen will do a presentation. Helen will do a presentation. Let's check it. I will go to the doctor. I will go to the doctor. You will go to the doctor. He will go to the doctor. She will go to the doctor. We will go to the doctor. They will go to the doctor. To form future tense, we add will before the doing word or verb. Example: will go, will play, will buy, will eat. Clear? Let's practice simple future tense. Are you ready? Okay, so please take page number 16 in your textbook, activity B. Rewrite the following sentences in the future tense. Mother makes a sandwich for me. Here the verb is makes. Then we are going to change this verb form makes into simple future tense. Then makes becomes will make. Then the answer is mother will make a sandwich for me. Second, my brother teaches me English. My brother teaches me English. Here the verb is teaches in simple present tense. We are changing this into simple future tense. Then teaches becomes will teach. My brother will teach me English. I go to school in the morning. Here the verb is go. Then future form of go is will go. Then the answer I will go to school in the morning. We visit the temple on Sunday. Here the verb is visit. It's in simple present tense. Then we are changing this into simple future. Then visit becomes will visit. We will visit the temple on Sunday. I eat an ice cream. Here the verb is eat. Then future form of eat is will eat. Then the answer I will eat an ice cream. I will eat an ice cream. Then I hope you understood the term simple future tense. To form future tense, we add will before the doing word or verb. Example: will go, will play, will buy, will eat, will come, will sit, will jump, will run, will see, will meet, etc. etc. Okay, so please study this, learn well, and please do the activity in page number 15 as homework. Okay, thank you.